Hello everybody, it's John from Bullyan RV, your Northland Ice Castle headquarters. And we got a special treat for you today. It's a 2019 RV Edition Hybrid, fully loaded, absolutely gorgeous. This was one of the raffle prizes for the ALS fundraiser, and the guy that won it decided to trade it in. So it's never been used, brand new, absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna take a look at the outside, then take a look at the inside, see what you guys think. So we start right here. So as you can see, like I said, this was for ALS fundraiser for them. So it's got all of the stickers on it. It comes with all the stickers. This is the way that you get it when you pick it up. Really beautiful red and black scheme on this. It's a hand crank model. As you can see, comes with two 30-pound propane tanks that we fill up for you before you go. You got some 110 outlets out here. Exterior light. Your sewer connections. Like I said, lots of graphics on this thing. Stainless steel rim, or aluminum rims, stainless steel cables to raise and lower to the ice. Your 30 amp service right here. Then you can see a solid back, so you know that means there's a fireplace in it. And then up here, we've got a power awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, hybrid edition obviously, and more lights out here. So real easy to see this thing when you're out on the ice. And because it's red, it's really easy to see in the snow too. So we'll go in here, turn on that battery connection here, and here you have your awning and all your light switches and everything here. Now, up here you can see that it's got the cool blue LED light. So if we kind of get back here to where it's a little darker, you know, you can see it a little bit better back there. It's a pretty bright day out here today at Bullyan's. Full cedar interior, absolutely gorgeous. Vinyl look wood floor. 6 holes in this unit, sprayed floor, so insulated floor. You got some storage here. Electric bunk up here. So that's 48-inch bunk up there, 48-inch dinette down below that you can sleep in. Fireplace in the back. And then there's a little window above the fireplace. You got real stonework here. Cabinets on both sides of the fireplace to store stuff. Around here you have your Bluetooth stereo, more storage, nice windows here, gas electric fridge and little freezer, of course your AC unit, and then you've got your 90-inch sidewalls. Makes this really high ceiling. More storage up here. And then we put the jackknife sofa in this one. So we kind of designed this one ourselves for the ALS. And you got your 2 holes right in front of this jackknife sofa. Of course, that jackknife sofa goes down into a bed. You got a whole big bank of cabinets above the jackknife sofa. Just gorgeous interior. Now look at this beautiful Furion cooktop. This is the new cooktop with these cast iron grates, 3 burners. Just fantastic. Real stone backsplash. Stainless steel exhaust fan. Microwave. Place to hook up your TV up here. Of course, speakers throughout this thing so you can really rock out while you're fishing. And then this gorgeous Furion oven. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Absolutely fantastic. Stainless steel sink, 2 compartments, cabinets up above. I just love this unit. And then of course you get inside your bathroom. You have your shower, really tall ceilings again, so a tall person like me can shower in this thing. You got a nice skylight up there. Your toilet down below. And more cabinet space. Just Beautiful, nice mirror on this door. Great looking sales guy. Just absolutely fantastic unit. Beautiful. Come in and see it. So if you're interested in this unit or any other unit that we have on the lot, come and see me, John, aka Johnny Icecastle. You can call or text me at 218-355-0623. And as always, remember, you can camp in an ice castle, but you cannot fish in a camper. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.